This week I am testing the Lexus NX350 Hybrid. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Lexus NX there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs there are top tether anchorages that are easily accessible through the boot. Now I could fit 3 InfoSecure child seats in the back here, which is fantastic news. I have got the InfoSecure Attainmore forward facing, the Liberty Onyx booster seat forward facing, and the Cocoon Go infant carrier rear facing behind the driver. They fit across here really comfortably, and legroom is fantastic. In front of that Cocoon Go infant capsule, we could fit a 180 plus centimetre driver, which is really good for a 5-seater. To learn more about the InfoSecure child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Lexus NX is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in there too. On the back of both front seats there are map pockets that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a great size back here. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. And there's storage wells in the handles. Storage in the front is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them there's a retractable phone charging pad with storage underneath and in front of it too. The central console box is a good size in here, and it's lined so things don't rattle around. The glove box is a good size. That will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual, and there's a safety vest in there too. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins are a great size in the front. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad and wallet fit in there too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, which are fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. The media system in the Lexus NX is really lovely and easy to navigate with this bar down the side. Within the settings you've got lots of things there like sound that you can customize. And in the card, one of the great things here that you can look at is the energy flow, being a hybrid, so that's great while you're actually driving. You've got your media in there, your phone, it's got built-in sat-nav as well, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the lovely things is the aircon and climate controls along the bottom of the screen here that always stay there, they don't move. So they're really nice and easy to use while you're driving. When you put it into reverse, you can mute the parking sensors with a button on the screen there, and the camera images are lovely and clear and fill the whole screen. One of the things I do like is this surround camera that you can put on using a button on the dashboard. It's really handy for when you're about to start driving off and you need to just check that there's no little kiddies around. The boot door of the Lexus NX opens really nice and easily with just the touch of a button, and closes that way too. Let's find out how the taller prams fit in the boot.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Taller. When the boot is empty, it will hold 13 shopping bags. Or the Taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Lexus NX with 6 shopping bags. The Taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 3 shopping bags. And the Taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Lexus NX side by side with no shopping bags. Or the Taller Urban Glide 2 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the Taller Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Lexus NX350 Hybrid with 8 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre and 2 40-litre Taller Chasm duffel bags, or a medium-sized dog.
And if you've filled your boot and you need extra boot space, then the taller Force XTL roof box fits really nicely on the taller Wing Bar Evo roof racks on the Lexus NX.
Two 90-litre and two 40-litre taller Chasm duffel bags will fit in the taller Force XTL roof box on top of the Lexus NX350 Hybrid.
The Lexus NX350 Hybrid is a really nice car to drive. I really enjoyed it around town, especially school drop-offs and things like that. Been really nice and easy and simple. It's a bit nippy and just feels really nice and easy to drive. The visibility is very good out of the sides of this car. However, with the 3 child seats in the back, visibility is very limited. However, I've only had 2 child seats in the back there for most of my time with it this week, and I've found it really good for visibility. Now, turning circles are really good. So as I say, schools, supermarket car parks, those tight multi-stories, it's really nice and easy. And our kids have really enjoyed having the energy flow screen on while driving. They like watching that. So to sum up with the Lexus NX350 Hybrid, it does make a fantastic 5-seater car for families. You can fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats really nicely across the back row with excellent legroom in the front. The boot space is brilliant for those taller prams, and if you do need extra storage, you can put that taller roof rack and roof box on the top. The drive is lovely and the media system and cameras are fantastic too.